Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well. Nifty in 5 minutes. Opened gap up. And some longs were unwinded. Then market has traded above the central CPR levels. Nifty traded in a range bound and it was a wide CPR today. Closed with 20 points negative. Banknifty also opened slight gap up. There was some strong resistance at our given algo points which we discussed yesterday. From that resistance levels we have seen some sell off and traded in a CPR range and range bound, closed with 58 points negative. Now let's begin the open interest analysis. We'll follow by FII. In options put side. There were holding 3.40 locks contracts, now there have unwinded 21,000 contracts, so there have 3.40 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 2.95 locks contracts, now there have unwinded 36,000 contracts, so there have 2.59 locks contract in call side. Option data is showing negativeness. Futures FII have reduced 1% long and increased 1% shorts, so there have 51% long and 49% short. Futures positions is still positive. In cash market FII sold for 92 crores. Conclusion of FII are in profit booking mode and hedge their positions. Now we'll check for client. There are also known as retailers. In options put side. There were holding 3.53 locks contracts, now there have add 1.76 locks contracts, so there have 5.30 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 2.28 locks contracts, now there have unwinded 6,000 contracts, so holding 2.21 locks contracts. Option data is showing superb positive. Futures retailers have reduced 1% long and increased 1% shorts, so there have 52% long and 48% short. In cash market retailers are sold for 332 crores. Conclusion of retailers, there have no direction view. Now we'll check of promoters. In options put side, there were holding 44,000 contracts, now there have made a fresh long build up of 1.51 locks contracts, so there have 1.51 locks contracts at put side. At call side there were holding 67,000 contracts, now there have unwinded 29,000 contracts, so there have 38,000 contract in call side. Option data is showing negative. Futures pros have increased 4% long and reduced 4% shorts, so there have 52% long and 48% short. Futures positions is neutral. In cash market pros purchased for 325 crores. Conclusion of pros are in profit booking mode and hedge. We'll check DI cash flow. DI purchased for 1035 crore. So the cash flow was 936 crores positive value. Now we'll check put call ratio. Nifty for this week is 0.76 and Banknifty for this week is 0.8, both neutral to positive. For month end Nifty is at 1.27 and Banknifty is at 1.1, super positive for month end. Now let's check price action. Nasdaq trading negative by 66 points. Dow trading flat by 4 points. India VIX at 10.2 crashed 1% today. Nifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Banknifty in 1-day time frame. As per the price action it has to take the support and retrace from here or at least consolidate at this levels. Now mark the algo points in cash market. Nifty first support at 19,695 and first resistance at 19,785. Banknifty first support at 45,450 and first resistance at 45,760. So as per the open interest analysis, data is neutral to negative. Consolidation to some fall is expected. We can get intraday trades only for scalping. Buy on dip and sell on rise. That's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.